did I just do? I guess.
Hey there, Cade. Hey, Jade. Why was the mushroom invited to the party?
I don't know why.
Because he was a fun guy.
Hey, Jade.
Yes, Cade.
You know why ants never get sick?
I do not. Why?
Because they have these little antibodies.
Hey, Cade.
Yeah?
Have you heard the one about the turtle?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, this is awkward. Now remember, for a fungi to grow, you must give it as mushroom as possible. Hey, Cade!
Hey.
What do you get when you cross a four-leaf clover with poison ivy?
I don't know what.
A rash of good luck.
Hey, Jade.
Hey, Cade.
You know when you see geese fly over in that V formation, and there's always that one side that's longer than the other. You know why that is?
I do not, Cade. Why is that?
It's because there's more geese on that side. Hey, Jade.
Hey, Cade.
What did the Jedi say to the tree?
I don't know. What?
May the forest be with you.
Hey there, Cade.
Hey, Jade, what's up?
What do loggers eat for lunch?
I don't know.
Mac and trees. Cade! I wet my plants!
Hey, Jade.
Yeah, Cade.
What did the mother worm say to the baby worm when she was late?
I don't know. What'd she say?
Where in earth have you been? Look at them worms. Hey, Jade.
Yeah, Cade.
Why did the amoeba cross over the microscope?
I don't know. Why?
So we could get to the other slide.
I get it. You don't like the outdoors? Unbelievable! Hey, Cade.
Hey, what, Jade?
Do you know the best way to get a hold of a fish?
No.
You drop it a line. Hey, Cade.
Hey, Jade.
How do you properly identify a dogwood tree?
I don't know.
By its bark.
Hey, Jade.
Yeah, Cade.
What do you call an angler who catches a fish every time?
I don't know. What?
Efficient.
Hey, Cade.
Yeah?
What kind of math do owls study?
I don't know.
Algebra.
Jade's liking that.
Hey, Cade.
Hey, Jade.
What's wrong?
Just feeling sad today.
Well, maybe this'll cheer you up.
Jade is liking that.
Jade.
Oh! All right, here we go. Take two.
All right. Hey there. Oh.
dinner.
No, why?
Set it on.
Why was the fun guy invited?
Take two.
Why was the fun guy invited?
Okay. Hey, Jade, I'm really gonna catch you some dinner this time. I'll do it. That ain't the way you catch dinner. Oh, yeah. Oh. Gee, dang it. Hey, Jake, I'm gonna catch you some dinner. What the?
Don't worry, Cade. I'll catch us some dinner.